everyone and welcome back to my beauty channel. Today we're going to try out some new makeup and I have a new eyeshadow palette, a new foundation from Physicians Formula. First time ever I try their foundation and we're going to create this look, so if you're interested in that, keep on watching. Okay, let's start. So I have a new base primer from Meet Cosmetics, Diamond Heart Illuminating Soft Focus. I've received a lot of products from this brand in my beauty boxes. So we have some pigment. And I need a pin. My hair is annoying. It feels a bit sticky, so it's not too dry or too heavy. I like it. And where is the lid? Okay, let's see how the foundation works on top of it. But first we're going to do brows. I always do brows as a first step. I'm going to use the She Glam pomade in soft brown. This is my favorite. I swear by this. Just as good or even better than the ABH pomade. And this is so affordable, so it's really a catch. You should really try it. I take a angled brush, some of that pomade. I've waited for a long time to record this, but because I'm pregnant, I don't want to apply heavy creams on my skin, and I've been so dry. So I've just been hoping and praying for my skin to go back to normal, but now I can't wait anymore. We'll see how it goes. I take some concealer on my lids and we're going to clean up the brows with this concealer. This is the L'Oreal More Than concealer. This is almost, well, it's time to throw it away. I'm just taking a flat, small brush to do that because I want the line to be precise. I'm not satisfied with those darkest brows, but we just have to move on. I feel like my deep brow was a bit dry, so maybe I have to order a new one. It was difficult to apply today. That's weird, but I haven't done my makeup in a long time, so maybe I have to make some new purchases. We have a new eyeshadow palette, the Espresso Yourself. It's cruelty-free and vegan from the Beauty Crop. So beautiful. Very neutral. First we want a very fluffy brush, maybe this one. The Sigma Blending E25. Let's try this gingerbread, I think. Yeah. I'm just applying that on the brush. And put it in the crease. It shows up even though it's a very light shade. Promising. You probably wonder how it's going with my pregnancy. Well, I'm almost at the end of the pregnancy. It's time for labor any minute now. I will probably not be pregnant in the next video. I will have a little baby here with me. So I think it's going to be difficult to record, at least sitting down here at my desk. Maybe I will record some vlogs or something for you, so you don't miss me too much. They're easy to blend, they show up, they have pigment. We take this darker shade, Mocha. I've been obsessed with nose spray. I don't know if you call it that in English. And now I'm trying to stop. I haven't used the spray for 24 hours. so it's like really difficult to breathe through the nose. I think that's the most annoying thing about being pregnant, the struggle with breathing. I hate it, but I guess it's worth it. Well, it is. So I'm just hanging in there. Okay, let's take the darkest shade, Americano. We have another shade in the corner, Double Shock Chip, but it's almost like a gray. I don't want that. The Americano has some warmth to it. Let's apply it in the outer corner. I was thinking about doing a video where I show you the baby room, because I've had my baby shower and everything now, so it's pretty much done. I've done a video like that for my Swedish channel, and maybe I should do one for this channel as well. Maybe that's fun, even though this is more of a beauty channel. Now let's try a shimmer. We take the gold and I apply it with my fingers in the center. Okay, we see pigment. I take it in the inner part as well. Oh, that's beautiful. Maybe not my favorite palette. I don't think I would reach for this on an everyday basis. But if you want to buy it, you definitely should. Do you want lashes? I don't know. I was thinking about these. So I'm going to cut them and measure and all of that and apply them, and then we'll do the face. They're huge. I haven't worn lashes, well, I can't even remember. Now the fun part, because we're going to test out a new foundation, and it's the Physicians Formula, but I believe it's foundation plus concealer for all skin types. I hope it's the right shade. It's very light. Oh, maybe I should shake it first. I think that's good, actually. Oh, that feels so nice to the skin, even though I'm super dry. Let's see how it's sitting on the nose. That's the most important thing. I can see some dryness, but it's really, really good considering how dry I am. I'm impressed, actually. It's a bit sticky, but it looks matte, and I love matte foundations. Let's apply some more under the eyes, because it says foundation slash concealer, so we'll see if we can build it up. It hides my pimples very well, so I'm actually impressed. We take the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Make sure you don't have creasing before you apply, because you're just going to set those creases. And I don't know if this is called baking, because I don't really bake anymore. I take a lot of powder and I press it in. I don't take excess powder and then brush it off. I'm just pressing everything in. And that can be difficult when you're dry, because you take so much dryness over dryness, so it can look crazy. But this looks so smooth. I want some powder closest to my brow, so I take a little eyeshadow brush with powder and set the brow area with that. And then I take some brow gel, just brushing through the brows. And this is the 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. It's a small sample size. And then I fill in my birthmarks with eyebrow pen, some bronzer, some contour, and some blush. I take this bronzing and contouring powder, medium cool 200. I think this is Maybelline. Yeah, Maybelline. With a contouring brush. Of course, we want some bronzer as well, so I'm going to apply the Hoola Benefit bronzing powder with a fluffy bronzing brush and some sleek makeup blush in the shade Life's a Peach. Of course, you need highlighter. We take the Natasha Denona Super Glow with a highlighting brush from Morphe. We need some mascara on our lower lashes, so I'm going to try the Pat McGrath Labs Fetish Eyes Mascara. Received it in Advent Calendar maybe. So I'm just applying that to the lower lashes. I got it everywhere. I don't think I have an opinion about that. I'll need to try it another time on the top lashes. Let's put on some lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Buff matte lipstick. This is so old. And I just apply it and then I take my finger to blend it out. And last step, some all-nighter makeup setting spray from Urban Decay. Used this a million times before. Love the foundation. I'm definitely going to continue to use this. I don't think it's oxidized, but maybe I applied a lot of bronzer and contour. It's definitely going to be interesting to see how long this will last. I have big hopes. It looks smooth on the skin. It doesn't look cakey or heavy or dry, even though I'm super dry. So I'm really satisfied. Also very impressed by the eyeshadow palette. I didn't think so highly about it, but it looks good. I love the shimmer. The only product I'm not satisfied with is the lashes. I should have trimmed them a bit more, I think. They're too long. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell and turn the notifications on so you don't miss my future videos. And I see you in the next one. Bye!